In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create menus and pages in your Shopify store, an essential step to ensure your online shop is organized and user-friendly. Let's dive right in and simplify this process so you can focus on what really matters, running your business. To start with creating menus, you'll want to navigate to the navigation section of your Shopify admin. This can be found under Content and then Menus. Once you're there, you're set to begin shaping the way your customers will explore your store. The first thing you'll want to do is add a new menu. Simply click on Add Menu and boom! You can name and create multiple menus tailored for different areas of your store, such as a main menu for your header or a footer menu for additional links. Next up, it's time to add menu items. Click on the menu you want to modify and then select Add Menu Item. This is where you'll enter the name for each menu item, making sure it's clear and intuitive for your shoppers. You'll also choose the type of link each item will hold, be it a page, collection, product, or even an external website. This allows for a wide variety of offerings to be just a click away for your customers. Now, let's talk about organizing these menu items into dropdowns. Creating a drop-down menu can significantly enhance the navigation experience for your shoppers. To do this, simply add your menu items and drag them beneath a main menu item where you'd like them to appear nested. This creates a tidy, easy-to-navigate system that can highlight different product categories or services. Always remember to save your work by clicking Save Menu when you're done, to ensure all your hard efforts are safely stored. Let's shift our attention to creating pages. Head over to Pages in your Shopify admin by going to Online Store and then Pages. Once there, click Add Page. You'll have the opportunity to enter a title and content for your new page. Whether it's an About Us section, a contact page, or any other necessary information, this is where you'll do it. If you want this page accessible through your menus, you'll need to link it back in your menu settings, just as we talked about a moment ago. Don't forget to save your page by clicking Save, ensuring all your information is ready to be displayed. Before we wrap up, here are a few key points to remember. Shopify allows you to add various types of links to your menus, from pages to collections, products, blog posts, and even external websites, giving you a comprehensive and customizable way to direct traffic. Many Shopify themes come with predefined areas for menus in the header and footer, and you can easily customize which menus appear in these spots through your theme settings. Don't hesitate to use multi-level nesting for drop-down menus to create an even deeper exploration experience for your visitors. Collections can also be a great way to organize your products. By linking them in your menus, you ensure easier navigation and a more seamless shopping adventure. With these steps and tips, you'll be well on your way to creating an intuitively organized Shopify store that leaves a lasting impression.